How to create an Instagram page for business. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually create an Instagram page for your business. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In order to create an Instagram account for business, the process is very simple. First of all, open up the Instagram app right over here. Now in my case, you can actually add an existing Instagram account to business account, or you can actually just create a new one. I will use the existing one in this case. What I will do is I will just tap on the three lines on the very top right corner, and then I will go to settings. Once I go to settings, select accounts. As soon as you select account, you'll see all these various options. Scroll down to the bottom, you can see it says switch to professional account. So in order to create a business page, we have to go ahead and then switch to professional account. Just tap on the switch to professional account button, and you can see all these sorts of get professional tools, learning about followers, reaching more people, get new contacts options, and so on. So what I will do is just tap on the continue button, and I will just continue and then read all these options. Now you just have to go ahead and select the category for your business. So just go ahead and select any of the categories which you have over here. Once you select your categories, you can choose to display them on your profile, or you can choose to not display. I will select display in this case, and just tap on the done button. And as soon as you tap on the done button, you can see it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So now you can see this is exactly the page where we want to change. You can see it says, are you a business? So we just have to select business. If you select creator, it's just for public figures, content producers, and so on. But if it's for your business or a local business, then I'll just select business over here and then tap on the next button. Now over here, you just need to review your contact information such as your email, your phone number, and you can also choose to display your contact info if you want, and then just tap on the next button, or you can tap on don't use my contact info. So tap on the next button which you see over here, and it will also ask you to connect to Facebook, but this is a little bit complicated process, so for now I will just skip it, but you can just go ahead and log in if you have a business Facebook page as well. Now you can see we have already completed almost steps. First of all, you can complete your profile, you can get inspired, you can grow your audience, you can share contents to view insights, and so on. And you can just go ahead and change the profile photo. You could actually enter your business name, your username, your pronouns, your bio, and so on. And this is simply how you can actually create a business page for on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, and doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.